It's important to know what pan you need for the job you're trying to do. Perforated pans, these are steamer pans. Now, a lot of times people will steam vegetables in a solid pan. A couple of things are going to happen. Whatever broccoli is in the bottom of this pan, if I put this in the steamer, the bottom of this pan is going to start to collect water. It's going to essentially boil this bottom broccoli. It will overcook. The steamer is meant for that moist, hot air to just be flowing through it. You want to use a perforated pan. The other thing is, if I have a pan of broccoli that is now accumulating, essentially boiling water, and I go to pull it out of the steamer, I am much more likely to burn myself with scalding water. And I've created another step for myself, which is now I need to drain the excess water. So if I'm steaming properly in the perforated pan, it's safe when I'm bringing it out. It's ready to just go into a pan so I can season it and serve it or start portioning it. There are a couple of exceptions. You know, like any rule, there's always some exceptions. If you are steaming rice, that will go in a solid pan. But your team knows that when you're steaming rice, it's in a solid pan. The other thing about rice is it's absorbing all that liquid. So when you're bringing it out, you don't have water sloshing around. It's actually been incorporated into your rice to cook it. The other thing is some of the really great from scratch soups or sauces that you're getting from your central kitchen, or like your queso sauce, those can go into a solid pan and steam that way. Again, everyone's mindful of the fact that we're using a solid pan, we put it into the steamer. 95% of the time, you're using a perforated pan. On your serving line, 2-inch, 4-inch pans, your long skinny pans, your 6-inch hotel pans are a back of the house tool. If I wanted to prep all my broccoli for the week, a 6-inch hotel pan is going to be ideal because it's not going to take up much space in my cooler. It's nice and deep. For washing apples, oranges, some of your vegetables, again, you can put them in these larger, deeper pans. However, if you're putting a 6-inch hotel pan on your serving line, it takes a really long time to deplete all of that. By the time you get to those last servings, the pan doesn't look nice. And you have a really deep pan that now, you know, it's crusting on the outside. It's not pretty, it's not appealing. And the quality is not great. It's been sitting in your hot well for a really long period of time. More shallow pans are going to allow you to put out fresh, beautiful product more frequently. You have your backup ready to go. However, it's going to encourage more turnover. And that's really important to meet the expectations of service that you have for quality and that your customers have.